Help her stand up.
You want to go with Vanessa? Take that weight off. No.
Back up, Vanessa. Oh. Yeah, give her some more space. Come here, Coco.
Come on. Gotta stand up, boo-boo. You're on your tiptoes.
Get back, Tucker.
Stand.
Yeah. It's easy if you stand behind her, Vanessa. There you go. She's ready to go.
Come here. She's just walking all over the place. You see that?
Let her go farther. Get a larger space. There you go.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just let her go. She'll go by herself.
Come here. Woo!
Good job.
Good? Yeah, go back to the starting line. Come on. Yeah. You gonna fall? No? Yay! She's still standing.
Back up. Back up.
Back it up.
Back up, Vanessa. Oh. Tucker, back up, bud. Farther. There you go. That's, yeah.
Okay, stand right there. Give me.
Oh.
I got her. Look out. Come here.
Oh, just let her go. She knows how to do it.
Okay, you hold on. You go when you're ready.
Yeah.
Oh. You were doing it? Okay, you stand up.
Now go this way.
No, boo-boo. No, this way. Boo-boo, you gotta stand up on your feet, not...
There it goes. Here she goes.
Look out!
Oh.
I could try to let go, you just keep going. Make sure she's on her flat feet, Tucker. Yeah, you come here. Yeah,
Look at
you
that.
Come.
All the way. Oh.
Do it from there. Don't start from the start line. Just let it go from there. Come here. No.
She wants to go to the play thing.
Where are you going?
She wants to go to the play thing.
Where are you going, huh?
You guys are good big brother and sister.
You gotta stand up, boo-boo. You can't go
It's easier when you're behind her. That's why.
there. Oh! You okay? Oh.
Let her stand and lean on you like
She's
this.
getting up. Oh!
She's gonna stand up. Get her away. Pick, if you don't mind, move away from the fireplace.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Go get it. Trying to get Coco out in there.
Don't catch her. Don't catch her. Just keep trying to move back. She knows she's gonna kill us. Just keep moving back, and then she'll keep going.